Just one more level, then I have to cover it with bricks. WaterFall Cafe. Then the roof is gonna be full with water.
And I'm going later. I'm going to join and I'm going to help him with the seats.
Yeah.
I'm going to teach him how to make the seats perfect. It's really easy to make seats.
I already know how to make seats.
No, I mean like make the sides of the seats.
Could you be?
Me too.
Let's do the different way you do tables. Like a stick there and then one mat there.
I am.
Oh, good. I tried all the ends, but now we'll the end.
There. So this is how you make the beginning. Then first you put only a water only on the bricks.
But not on the windows. There's going to be like a leak. We're going to make kind of holes in the top because it's like a water cafe.
Waterfall.
Yeah.
Water cafe fall. I mean waterfall that has cafe.
You don't even know what
A
you're saying.
cafe?
It's a restaurant.
That's like a restaurant with water.
Yeah, just water around it.
I have to make the roof, then put on the roof and everything.
It's going to be really
So it should be like this. Then you take some spruce planks, make a aisle right here.
Ew.
Like this. Till it reaches this. Then this is how you walk to it. Then you have to like this. So first you get on here. Then you jump on here. Into the water cafe. That's going sad. Thank you. Now, Tyrone, you're gonna be leading off to the roof, okay? Terrence, you have 5 more minutes, okay?
Okay.
Water doesn't come in, that's good.
because of the doors.
The door's already there.
Guys, if you join us, you're going to get kind of wet for a little bit. But don't worry. We have, maybe we can make towels in Minecraft. We don't know yet.
Yeah, we don't know.
Or you can just get some wool and wipe it on yourself. And then you're dry.
Where's the signs here again?
Some here.
Here? At the bottom. Water.
Cafe. WaterFall Cafe.
Cafe.
How about, can you do made by JP?
Yeah, later.
Okay.
Okay, so, are you gonna sleep now?
No, I'm just waiting.
Okay. Terrence, done.
Okay. Yeah, Kuya.
Now 10 minutes for Tyrone.
Kuya, you got to join.
Help me do the roof, okay, with the bricks, okay?
Tent's head's really stinky.
Could
And
you
it's
please?
sticky.
And then I got to help you make the under.
Dad, help me make it
Could
with,
you please? I got to help you make the under part.
No, Tent's not
Yeah.
helping. Okay.
Because
and plus there's gonna be a swimming pool at the top.
yeah,
You guys have to be quiet. My mom's
and table.
my dad's sleeping too. It's gonna take me like 2 days or so to make
If
this.
it's time to
But at
sleep,
least Tyrone's helping me. Right?
right?
We're taking turns. Turns already played. Turns already played for 15 minutes. Now it's Tyrone's turn to play for 10.
Well, next. Oh,
You should bring your
don't
iPad
take
next
so
time.
long.
I can't.
I'm using golden sleep if you take.
Yeah.
Whoa, this is so cool.
Tyrone, I told you not to do that yet. I told you to help me on the roof. How can I do this? You never even touched any bricks already.
Oh, yeah, it's better if you go a little bit up. Watch, could you please,
I'm
like,
flying.
could you please flying and then you could still do it?
I'm gonna go over it.
Yeah, I'm done.
But you need to do a little bit here.
Slow coach. Because you keep on going slow.
Like, you put the doors wrong way.
I don't care.
That's okay.
Ready? Now we're gonna put on each slab the water.
And then down we're going to need one. We're going to need
Only one by one, okay? One. Dan, you have to face this way, okay? You have to face this way. Dan, look. You have to face this way and put it. If you do it the other way, bam, dead.
This?
It's okay, let me do it. You might make a mistake.
Whoa! Whoa!
Haha.
Oh, wow. What did you do? I don't care.
Swimming pool. Wee! Water slide.
Oh, yeah, look at the top. Awesome.
And then
So this is our water cafe.
You'll need to put some mats on
So-
here so they can dry your
So we're gonna work on the inside now.
I'm putting some.
Let's go.
When you come out, you need to go out and then dry your feet. Because there's
Tyrone, something came out inside. Oh no, it's just a little bit.
water came in.
I think I made a hole.
You, your water cafe still looks good.
Can't go in.
Oh. Where did this come from?
Get away, water.
Okay, there you
The
go.
leaks! Yay!
Huh?
The leaks! It's leaking! Yay!
I know, it's supposed to be like that.
The water cafe.
Yeah.
I'm making some mats. When they come, like, outside, when they're done, they need to wash their feet.
Yeah, because wet water just
You're
wash
going
the
jump wet.
glue away. That's Gorilla Glue. Gorilla Glue is so gluey. It'll never come off.
I know.
And Papa's still mad at you
Why? For what?
for drawing on the wall.
No, he's not.
I told him. There. Now this looks better. When you walk, you need to like wipe your feet. See, look. This is all matte. Then wipe it.
We're making a better cafe of
Ken's FTTV boy is better than ours. Yeah.
Please subscribe our channel. And please subscribe.
I made some maps outside.
And
This
you
is
could
good.
watch FTTV, boy.
So it's on to make the seats. Let's get the oak stairs. I'll make one from here. Oops. I don't care. I'll need what's it called? A fence. Put it right there. Then get a. Done. All of ours is supposed to be gray, okay? Or what's it called? Or map. Our tables, okay? One, two.
Home
Okay, I'm
and
just gonna
native land.
Hey! Move! Did I run? What are you doing?
Canada.
How do you do that?
What do you mean?
You know, you need to make it farther. They can't even get in the seat.
Huh?
They can't even get. Oh, there. I can't get in the seat.
What do you mean farther?
There, I'm sitting.
You're sitting on the table, of course.
No, not.
Okay, I'm gonna go.
Sit.
It doesn't look so good luck.
Booty
Huh?
shack.
They can't reach it.
Oh yeah, that is better.
Booty shack. Booty shack. shack.
Break everything. My bad.
Whoa.
Tyron,
I'm actually
move.
move.
I
We
found
are.
that.
Fix. Okay, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
I just need
Move.
Yeah.
Okay.
Booty shack. I'm gonna put some more mats outside.
Remember last week?
It's gonna be really wet.
We just came and then you guys made a mouse trap, but it's a board game mouse trap. And it doesn't trap real mouse.
Remember last time you came over, there's a real mouse.
Yeah.
That scared me for once.
Yeah, it is like.
I'm making some.
Oh, remember the frog? Remember the frog? It just came up.
I'm making some black towels. I don't know how, but I'm just doing it. Even I made some towels. I think these are towels. That you can like wipe your body, like jump up
That's better.
and wipe your face.
So,
This is a towel up. Could JP? Look, you jump up.
if you guys feel.
Could JP, is this a towel?
You guys
What?
got to.
You like.
I don't know.
You guys got
okay,
to
I'm
wake
gonna
up
leave that
early.
there.
So,
Why?
so you could record and don't.
Because when you
Again.
go back
Yeah.
out, you need to wash your
Because if you're
face.
sleepy, you got to stop now.
I'm writing.
Okay, this is gonna it's gonna be awesome because it's dripping and it's so cool.
I'm writing.
It's like just rain inside, yeah.
I'm writing.
Like this.
Surfboard.
It's not
Surfboard, surfboard, riding on that, riding on
I
that.
wish they could have.
I'm
I
following
wish
you.
they could have a boat.
Can you look on the roof?
Oh yeah, we could make a boat.
Hello, I see you. I see you.
But it can't float because it's too heavy. Because we're on it. And I wish we could have string.
Relaxing then.
Oh, this is cool.
Done. Terrence's turn.
Ooh, I made a
Tyron.
boat.
Terrence's turn.
Okay. That was longer.
No. So this is our cafe.
Whoa, yo, since you done the stream.
Terrence, don't.
Don't go there.